Welcome to the eLynx Water Solutions installation video series. I'm JP Reisenhuber, and I'll be guiding you through the installation steps for our remote monitoring hardware. At eLynx, we believe this type of process should be easy and stress-free. Throughout this series, we'll be discussing each device and each step to ensure that you have all the information you need to make these installs as easy as possible, whether you're a seasoned technician or a new operator. Let's get started. In this video, Adrian will be demonstrating the installation of the eLynx single input kit being used for continuous pressure monitoring on distribution lines. Before we begin, you will need the following to install the kit: 2 crescent wrenches, a flathead screwdriver, a set of wire strippers, and zip ties. For this demonstration, the 2-inch pipe that the kit and solar panel will be mounted to was previously set, as was the 1/4-inch MPT connection in the water can for the pressure transducer. First, you will install the solar panel using the 2 U-bolts provided. Before tightening it down, make sure that the panel is facing south and has an unobstructed view of the sky. Once you have the solar panel installed, mount the enclosure below the solar panel at eye level using the hose clamps provided. After the enclosure is mounted, install the MIMO antenna by peeling the protective cover off the self-adhesive backing, place it on top of the enclosure, and push down to ensure a secure bond. Next, install the pressure transducer by putting plumber's tape onto the male end and thread into your 1/4-inch female MPT connection. Once connected, run the transmitter cable into the enclosure through the cord grip and land the wires according to the diagram included in the kit. Now that the transducer is installed, unbox the battery, place it in the bottom of the enclosure, and connect positive and negative terminals according to the diagram. Once the battery is installed, you can bring in the solar panel wires into the enclosure through the cord grip and connect them according to the wiring diagram. It is very important that you install the battery prior to connecting the solar panel. Once connected, you will see the solar charge controller light up and display images of a solar panel and battery. This will indicate that the battery and solar panel are correctly installed. Finally, bring in the antenna wires through the cord grip, attaching the coax ends to the modem. Now that everything is wired, the unit will take a few minutes to establish a connection to a cellular network and begin transmitting data back to eLynx. A tip to prevent moisture from entering the enclosure is to create a drip loop for all the wires that will be run through the cord grips. At this point, go back and use your zip ties to secure any wiring. Now that your install is complete, you can view your new device and data in the eLynx application. If you have already set up the eLynx app on your mobile device, you can then change device name, add lat longs for map view, and create alarms. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, we are here to help. Please reach out to our dedicated support staff at any time. Thank you for choosing eLynx Water Solutions.